Haitian Voodoo, a term that often sends shivers down the spine of those unfamiliar with its true nature. The very name evokes a sense of mystery and fear, conjuring images of dark rituals and malevolent magic. It conjures images of dark rituals and malevolent magic, often depicted in popular culture as something sinister and dangerous. But these are misconceptions, fueled by ignorance and prejudice. The reality of Haitian Voodoo is far removed from these dark portrayals. Haitian Voodoo, in its true essence, is a vibrant religion. It is a rich tapestry of beliefs and practices that have been passed down through generations. It is a way of life for millions, deeply intertwined with the daily lives and cultural identity of the Haitian people. It is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, showcasing the strength and unity of communities in the face of adversity. Voodoo is often portrayed as something sinister, something to be feared. Hollywood has not helped with its sensationalized depictions. Movies and TV shows depict voodoo as a tool for evil, focusing on sensationalized aspects like zombies and curses. They focus on sensationalized aspects like zombies and curses, which distorts the reality of voodoo and perpetuates harmful stereotypes. This distorts the reality of voodoo and perpetuates harmful stereotypes, leading to a misunderstanding of a rich and complex belief system. The truth is far more nuanced. Voodoo is a complex belief system with its own rituals, traditions, and moral code. Voodoo is a complex belief system with its own rituals, traditions, and moral code. It is a religion that celebrates life, honors ancestors, and seeks harmony with the spiritual world. It is a religion that celebrates life, honors ancestors, and seeks harmony with the spiritual world. It is a way for people to connect with their heritage and find meaning in their lives. To understand voodoo, we must look beyond the myths and delve into its rich history and cultural significance. Only then can we appreciate its true essence and the profound impact it has on the lives of those who practice it. To comprehend voodoo, we must journey back to the brutal period of slavery in Haiti, a time when the island was a melting pot of cultures and traditions forcibly brought together under the harshest of circumstances. During the 16th to 19th centuries, enslaved Africans were brought to the island. These individuals came from various regions of Africa, each with their own rich cultural heritage and spiritual practices. They were forced to abandon their traditions and adopt the religion of their oppressors. The colonizers imposed Catholicism, hoping to erase the African identity and replace it with their own. However, the African spirit could not be broken. Despite the relentless efforts to suppress their culture, the enslaved Africans held on to their beliefs and traditions with unwavering determination. In the face of unimaginable hardship, the enslaved Africans found solace in their ancestral beliefs. These beliefs provided a sense of hope and resilience, a way to endure the daily atrocities they faced. They secretly practiced their rituals, often gathering in hidden locations away from the watchful eyes of their oppressors. These clandestine meetings were a lifeline, a way to keep their culture alive. They blended these practices with elements of Catholicism, the dominant religion of their captors. This fusion was not just a survival tactic but a creative act of resistance, transforming imposed beliefs into something uniquely their own. This fusion gave birth to Haitian Voodoo, a unique and powerful expression of faith and resistance. It was a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the human spirit. Voodoo became a source of strength and unity for the enslaved population. It was more than just a religion, it was a way to reclaim their identity and assert their humanity. It provided a sense of community and identity in a world that sought to strip them of their humanity. Through voodoo, they found a way to connect with each other and with their ancestors, creating a strong sense of belonging. And in 1804, the Haitians declare their independence after a long-fought battle with French, who were the superpower around that time, and were led by no other than Napoleon Bonaparte, the great general that left a mark in world history. Voodoo rituals, often held in secret, offered a space for healing, for connecting with ancestors, and for finding strength in their shared experiences. These rituals were a sanctuary, a place where they could be themselves without fear, and for preserving cultural traditions. Through dance, music, and storytelling, they passed down their heritage to future generations, ensuring that their culture would survive despite the odds. Voodoo is not merely a religion in Haiti, it is the lifeblood of the nation. It is a spiritual practice that permeates every facet of Haitian life, influencing the way people think, act, and interact with the world around them. From the moment a child is born in the religion, Voodoo rituals and beliefs are woven into the fabric of their existence, guiding them through life's many challenges and celebrations. It is deeply intertwined with every aspect of Haitian culture, from music and dance to art and storytelling. The rhythms of the drums, the melodies of the songs, and the movements of the dances all tell stories of the spirits, or Elwa, and their interactions with the human world. These cultural expressions are not just performances, they are acts of devotion and communication with the divine. Voodoo is a living tradition that has shaped the identity of the Haitian people for centuries. It is a dynamic and evolving practice that adapts to the changing times while maintaining its core principles and rituals. Elders pass down their knowledge and wisdom to the younger generations, ensuring that the traditions continue to thrive and evolve. At the heart of voodoo is the belief in a single supreme god, Bonje. Bonje is the creator of the universe and the source of all life. However, Bonje is considered too distant and transcendent to be directly involved in human affairs. Instead, voodoo practitioners turn to the Lua, who act as intermediaries between the human and divine realms. These Lua are powerful spirits, each with their own distinct personality, domain, and rituals. They are honored and invoked through ceremonies, offerings, and prayers. The Lua are believed to have the power to influence various aspects of life, such as health, wealth, love, and protection. Instead, voodoo practitioners interact with spirits known as Lua. These spirits are central to voodoo practice and are considered to be the messengers of Bonje. They are revered and respected, and their guidance is sought in all matters of life. These Lua are intermediaries between the human and divine realms. They are believed to inhabit the natural world, and their presence can be felt in the wind, the water, and the earth. Voodoo practitioners build altars and shrines to honor the Lua and to create a space for them to dwell and communicate with the living. Each Lua has its own distinct personality, domain, and rituals. Some Lua are associated with specific elements such as water or fire, while others are linked to particular aspects of life such as love or war. The rituals and offerings for each Lua are carefully prescribed and are performed with great reverence and precision. Voodoo ceremonies, often held in temples called Aunfal, are vibrant and joyous occasions. These ceremonies are communal events that bring people together to celebrate, honor the Lua, and seek their blessings. The atmosphere is filled with music, dance, and the rhythmic beating of drums, creating a powerful and uplifting experience for all who participate. They involve drumming, singing, and dancing. These elements are not just for entertainment, they are essential components of the rituals that facilitate communication with the Lua. The drumming sets the rhythm for the dance, the songs convey messages and prayers, and the dance movements are a form of expression and connection with the spiritual world. Participants enter into trances, allowing the Lua to possess them and communicate with the living. This state of possession is a sacred and profound experience, where the individual becomes a vessel for the Lua, who can then offer guidance, healing, and blessings to the community. These ceremonies are not about devil worship, as some might believe, but about seeking guidance, healing, and connection with the spiritual world. They are a testament to the resilience and strength of the Haitian people, who have preserved their traditions and beliefs despite centuries of oppression and adversity. Through voodoo, Haitians find a sense of identity, community, and spiritual fulfillment. The negative perception of voodoo in the Western world is deeply rooted in colonialism and racism. European colonizers, threatened by the power and resilience of African traditions, sought to demonize voodoo. They labeled it as witchcraft, savagery, and a threat to their authority. This propaganda served to justify the oppression of Haitian people and the suppression of their culture. The image of voodoo as something dark and dangerous was perpetuated through literature, art, and later through film and television. These misrepresentations have had a lasting impact, shaping global perceptions of voodoo to this day. Even today, voodoo is often misunderstood and misrepresented in the media. Sensationalized stories about curses, zombies, and black magic continue to circulate, reinforcing harmful stereotypes. This perpetuates fear and prejudice against Haitian people and their culture. One of the most significant aspects of voodoo is its focus on healing. Voodoo priests and priestesses, known as Hongans and Mambos, are highly respected figures in Haitian society. They are not only spiritual leaders, but also healers, dispensing traditional medicine and spiritual guidance. Voodoo healing encompasses a holistic approach addressing both the physical and spiritual well-being of the individual. it draws upon a vast knowledge of herbal remedies, passed down through generations. Plants are considered sacred, imbued with the power to heal and protect. Section 6. Plants and Prayers, Traditional Medicine. The use of plants in voodoo healing is both an art and a science. Hongans and Mambos possess an intimate knowledge of the properties of various herbs, roots, and flowers. They use these natural ingredients to create remedies for a wide range of ailments, from common colds to more serious illnesses. These remedies are often administered alongside spiritual rituals, prayers, and offerings to the Lawa. Healing in voodoo is seen as a collaborative effort between the human, the divine, and the natural world. It is a testament to the deep connection between spirituality, nature, and well-being in Haitian culture. Section 7. The Dark Side of Belief. While voodoo is primarily a force for good, it is not without its darker aspects. Like any religion or belief system, it can be misused and manipulated for personal gain or to inflict harm. The concept of zombification, though often sensationalized, is a disturbing reality in some instances. Zombification, in its most basic sense, refers to the practice of using potent herbs and rituals to seemingly bring a person back from the dead. However, the reality is far more sinister. It is believed that unscrupulous individuals, often associated with secret societies, use these techniques to enslave others, exploiting them for labor or other nefarious purposes. Section 8. Voodoo Today, Resilience and Revival. Despite centuries of persecution and misrepresentation, voodoo continues to thrive in Haiti and amongst the diaspora. It remains a vital part of Haitian identity, offering spiritual solace, cultural continuity, and a connection to ancestral roots. In recent years, there has been a growing movement to reclaim and celebrate the true essence of voodoo. Scholars, artists, and practitioners are working to dispel myths and educate others about the richness and complexity of this often misunderstood religion. Section 9. Embracing Understanding. Haitian voodoo, with its vibrant traditions, profound spirituality, and deep connection to nature, deserves our respect and understanding. It is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, a fusion of cultures, and a celebration of life. It is time to move beyond the fear and prejudice that have shrouded voodoo for far too long. Let us approach this rich and complex religion with an open mind and a willingness to learn. Only then can we appreciate the true beauty and power of Haitian voodoo. If you like this video, subscribe for more. Also, share the video for more content like this.